Does it need more gas? Can you put some more gas in it? And maybe check the oil. All right. Well, you got gas now. That's cool.
He's out.
Oh, I got you in both in the same frame. How about that? Very unusual. Oh, you're going to invite me to your, where you have all your pictures, you know, on your, I don't know, you said on your phone or your, some website or whatever that you have a lot of kids' pictures on.
Oh, my.
You'd invite me to go look at.
Google one, probably?
I suppose.
Well, I have to pass the web album, so I can invite you to that.
Oh,
I haven't uploaded to that for a long time now.
I haven't done anything with pictures in a long time. I need to.
Most of my stuff's at home. I download it on my
Computer.
Just have a folder for my iPhone. It's usually every month or so. And my phone fills up. So, and then when it's full, I have to get rid of it. So. Usually when it tells me it's full, that's when I do it. Sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's 2.
Mine hasn't yet told me mine's full.
Really? Did you get a bigger? Oh, you have an iPhone 4 though. The earlier one. So we probably got you a bigger. You probably got bigger. I got the iPhone 5 when it first came out, so I couldn't afford to get any more than like the smallest storage capacity. It's too expensive. I'm not even going to see all those pictures. Right, Dane? Someday you're going to go, Mom, you have 10,000.
Well, my stuff is sitting out in the cloud, and I guess that eventually the cloud gets rid of them. So I gotta figure out
not
something.
Necessarily.
No?
No. Depends on what. Are you on the iPhone cloud? The Mac cloud? iCloud?
It's
PhotoStream, probably.
PhotoStream. It's one of them.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I want to buy it. So you can actually download the iCloud for PC. If you need to. Chinese.
iPhone for PC.
Now that we have an iPhone and an iPad, let's get a Mac. I keep waiting for my dad to give me one.
That's my drive up there.